Did you know that the ancient Romans had a secret thing for blondes? The ancient Romans typically had dark brunette hair and initially preferred it that way. Blonde hair was associated with the people of Gaul, whom the Romans considered barbaric. Prostitutes were even required by law to be blondes. It wasn't until Rome conquered the northern Europe countries in 1 St. century BC that the culture's mixed and blonde envy spread through Rome. Noble women began wearing wigs made of the natural blonde hair of Germanic and Scandinavian people, and blonde hair quickly became a lasting fashion trend. Roman women and some men would soak their hair in a concoction of bleaching agents and dyes made of goat fats, beechwood ashes, plants, and nuts, and soak in the sun to lighten their hair. Wealthier people even sprinkled actual gold dust to create a blonde look. While blonde was fashionable, gray hair was not so aging. Romans also used a mixture made from ashes, boiled walnut shells, and earthworms to darken their once raven lock. Some dyes and bleaches caused such severe damage to the hair that people resorted to wearing wigs.